Hi preschool friends! For our scavenger hunt today, we are going to do a shape scavenger hunt. Now a little while ago we did a rectangle scavenger hunt, and if you remember, a rectangle is kind of like this book. It has 4 sides with 2 sides that are opposite each other of the same length, and then 2 sides opposite each other of the same length. So a lot of times when we see a rectangle, we think of like 2 long lines and 2 short ones. But also, the difference between a rectangle and a square is that a square, like my post-it note, has 4 equal sides. Equal means they're the same length. Okay, they're not extra long on some. And a little tricky thing is a square can be a rectangle because it has 2 sides that are the same, 2 sides that are the same, but a rectangle cannot be a square. I know, wow. So some squares I found these post-it notes, which could be tons of them, and I could even use these to find other squares. I could like stick them on all the squares I see in my whole entire house. I wonder how many squares you have in your whole house. If you want to discover that, go do that and let me know how many squares you find in your house. Now I also have this, it's almost an equal cube, almost a cube with equal sides, but this is a little bit longer. Anyway, the bottom and the top of my Kleenex box is a square. And there's even squares inside that. That's going to be another scavenger hunt where we do shapes inside of shapes. But this is a square. My coaster is a square. Do you see that? 4 equal sides. And the corners, we call these degrees, they're 90 degrees. That means they're like this, like an L. I also have another coaster, and this one's cool because it has diamonds, it has squares inside it, but this has 4 equal sides. Pretty cool looking, huh? This is for my headphones, and it's got 4 equal sides. Now they're a little curvy, just so they're not pointy, but this is still a square. And I also have this picture frame, and I had to look at a lot of picture frames because like this one is a rectangle. I just had to find squares, and this one is 4 equal sides with a nice dog in it. And this pillow, 4 equal sides. And squares inside, there's like black squares, red squares, and kind of a black and red blend. Very cool, all these squares in your house. I hope you have fun finding squares just like I did. It was really fun to like make sure that it wasn't a rectangle, but that it was a square with 4 equal sides. And you're gonna have lots of fun if you decide to try to find as many squares as you can around your house or outside your house. Let me know how many you find. All right, happy hunting, friends. Oh, there we go.